Hello everybody, today we're gonna see how to search for candidates if you are a recruiter. First, log in to your account using LinkedIn mobile application. After that, go to search bar. Let's say, for example, you are looking for someone who does marketing and social media. So we type these keywords into the search bar. Then click on the search button. After that, click on people. And yeah, you got a lot of candidates to see. If you want, you can apply some filters such as location and content current company. All you have to do now is to contact these candidates to offer the position. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and peace.